Viewers, Jal Maro has warned Abiy Ahmed that Oromo Liberation Army is very close to victory. He said, "We are preparing a new attack, and this time attack will be more than the expectations of Abiy Ahmed." Yes, Jal Maro claiming that his fighters are within the 40-kilometer range of Addis Ababa, and within hours and days, Oromo Liberation Army soldiers will be in the outskirts of Addis Ababa. Where Tigray Defense Force is claiming that they have made hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers prisoners. Tigray Defense Force also shared pictures of captive Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. Where Tigray Defense Force is claiming that they are winning on all fronts in Amhara region and advancing towards Addis Ababa, which is the main target. Whereas on the other hand, the Tigray Defense Force has received a major boost in the fight against Ethiopian National Defense Force. This boost could change the overall strategy in the ongoing conflict. Whereas Lieutenant General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, the son of Uganda President, backed the Tigray Defense Force struggle against Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's administration. This could widen the conflict between Ethiopia and Uganda. Lieutenant General Muhoozi Kainerugaba is the current force commander of Uganda People Defense Force. In a viral tweet, Muhoozi also suggested that President Yoweri Museveni is supporting the Tigray Defense Force, who pushed Ethiopian National Defense Force further south. Whereas on the other hand, the African Union Special Envoy to the Horn of Africa, Olusegun Obasanjo, held talks with top Tigray leadership in Mekelle. Tigray Defense Force spokesperson Mr. Getachew Reda termed the discussion as a fruitful. But the Tigrayan ethnic group living in Addis Ababa and other Ethiopian cities said the expansion of the conflict has meant an escalation of a crackdown by police and government security forces against them. Viewers, these were short updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.